Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm, if you don't already know. Before we get into this video, be sure you hit that subscribe button and be sure to follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. Today I wanted to show you guys a quick style. I pretty much been wearing ponytails for a couple weeks, so today I decided to switch it up. And this is what I got. So if you guys want to see how I got this style, then just keep on watching. Oh, by the way, this is my first time actually ever trying this style. I just looked at a couple videos and boom. So this is beginner friendly. Ooh, that was my plan. So this is beginner friendly, and now let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with parting my hair down the middle. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a middle part ponytail or if I wanted to actually do the style that I'm doing today. So I just started the style that I'm doing today. So I'm just sectioning off my hair and I'm using rubber bands. I watched a couple YouTube videos of girls doing this, so yeah, I'm just putting ponytails on this side of my hair. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. This one was kind of tough for me to do. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's kind of sitting low when it should actually be sitting in the middle of my head, so I wasn't really a fan of that one, but as you will see, I will actually go back in and fix that. And to slick down these ponytails, I'm actually using Pro Style gel. Y'all already know I love Pro Style gel. It's like the only gel that works for me, and it is vegan. So I'm just going to finish doing these ponytails. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. So on this part, I'm actually starting to twist and attach them to like the one that's across from it. As you can see, I'm twisting it from the top to the bottom, and then I'm gonna connect it to the one that's across. I don't know how to explain that, but if you just watch the video, you can see it's connecting from the one that's across. This stuff is pretty tight, so I'm done, and now I'm just gonna mold my hair. I know a lot of people actually use the Got to Be Free spray, but unfortunately my beauty supply was out of it, so I'm just gonna use spritz because I've seen videos where people use spritz. This is like the slickest ponytail that I have ever done in my life. Like, it laid so flat. Like, I was surprised. But yeah, I'm just going to be slicking down my ponytail with this spritz. And if you guys are wondering about my hair, yes, I was pretty much born like that. It's not vitiligo or anything. I don't know what it is. It's just like that. Going in with a generous amount of my Pro Style gel just to slick it down a little bit more, as I wasn't feeling that hump in the back. Then I'm going to use my slick stick to just slick it down some more. The hair that I'm gonna be using is some model gardenia hair. It's really cheap. It was only about $10. This part was actually really tough for me. I don't know how you stylists do it, but this was pretty tough. Like, you will see me struggle, but it came out pretty cute. So yeah. This is the last piece. I'm just gonna put glue on it, wrap it around, spritz it up, slick it down, and then I'm gonna take a piece of hair from underneath the ponytail to like do that illusion piece. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Gonna slick down my edges, my grown people edges, because I done gripped everything in this ponytail with my slick stick and a little bit of that Pro Style gel. And that is the final look. I wasn't feeling those clips, so I actually took those out. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Super simple, super easy. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow all of my social media. This ponytail hurts.